Hello first grade, Mr. Mush here. So this week we are working on our Mondrian projects, okay? So I'm going to show you two ways on how to do this. I'm going to show you a way on how to use paper cutout and glue it down, and I'm going to just show you a simple way on how to use your crayon. So I'm going to do the crayon way first. All right, so let's put our name on our paper. So okay, I'm doing hot dog style for this project. You can do hot dog style or hamburger. It's up to you. I'm going to do hot dog. So if you do it with your crayons, all you're going to do is you're going to draw at least 3 lines like this. Okay? And you're going to go over these lines with a black crayon like this. Okay? And then I'm going to shade in over my lines. They can be a little thick because we want our pieces to look like Mondrian. Now you can do however many lines, like 3 lines, whichever way. If you want to do 2 long ones, 2 short ones, you can do more than 3 if you want. I would say at least 3. If you want to do 5, that's fine, but no more than that. And then it's pretty simple. You just shade in at least 3 boxes and using at least one of each primary color. Okay, just like this. It's pretty simple. That's why I want to show you the other way as well. Okay, so if you only have crayons at home, you can do it this way. All right, just with crayons, as simple as that. Now the other way is you grab a piece of paper, put your name on it, Mr. Mush, okay, and then I'm going to take my colorful pieces of paper here. I already cut up black strips of paper, so if you have black strips of paper, you're going to cut it up, and you're going to glue them down, just like I did with drawing the lines. You can go like this, and then like that. Okay, then what you'll do is you glue them down. Okay, so I'm going to put glue. Take my glue stick, whatever you have at home. If you have glue, if you have Elmer's glue, like the squeezing it out, use that. I'm going to put that there. And you might notice that my strips are a little long. I'm going to trim them up later. Okay, and then I'm going to use this right here to go hamburger style like that. Okay, now we're going to color in our spaces, but we're going to cut paper up. So you're going to pick, like I did before, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pick 3 spaces, and I'm going to take my paper. You're going to cut up your construction paper and cut your strips, and then cut them into little squares just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to glue my pieces down just like this. Okay, so, and you can do patterns with this one. Like I'm going to do a pattern here. Like I'm going to do red and blue. So I'm going to take my red, cut it up, and cut up some squares. Okay, and then I'm going to make a pattern right here. You could do something like this. And you can do a pattern too if you're using crayons, or you can just fill up. Like I'm just going to simply fill this one up with red like this. I'm putting the glue on my piece, or you could just simply put glue on your paper like this and glue it down. I need more red, so I'm going to cut some more. Okay, and I'm going to make my little squares like that. And then I have that. And then I can also do, I need yellow. So I'm going to grab my yellow, and then I'm going to do this one right here. I'm going to fill it up with yellow squares. See how I'm cutting? Okay, and then I'm going to do that. I'm going to put the glue on the back, or it's easier if you just put glue on your page, just like that. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fill it up with yellow. Bam. And then I'll do one more. I'm going to do this one right here. And I'm going to do the blue. Okay. I'm going to fill it up with blue pieces. I'm going to take my blue paper here, cut it up, make my little squares, and I'm going to make them fit. Just like that. And so that's two ways you can do it. So if you have paper at home, just like I did with construction paper, I would do it this way. If you don't, you can color it in like that. And like I said before, if you want to do little patterns, you can do that. So I'm going to do, let me find my red here. Red, blue, red, like that. So you can definitely do patterns and fill up your spaces like that. It's totally fine. So gluing things down or drawing it with crayons is fine by me. All right. So that's what we're doing for this project. So I hope you have fun with your Mondrian projects, first grade. And until next time, take care.